welcome to yet another section of the Forex market analysis. It's a brand new week with brand new setups. For this week, we have the Euro USD, the Euro CHF, and the Euro AUD on the watch list. But before we come on to this week's forecast, let us see how the forecast for last week went. It was an overall positive week for last week as the gold, USD JPY, and AUD NZD moved in their own respective ways. For the gold, there was the breakout that was very expectant within the course of the week. The USD JPY also broke out from the descending channel, but then the bulls lacked the follow through to shoot up and upwards. It retraced most of its moves to end the week. For the AUD NZD, the least likely scenario that I was looking at occurred. I was actually looking at a break below this level or a retest of the trend line, but then there was a fake retest. Yes, there are fake retests as well as there are false breaks, there are false retests. There was a false retest here, and the NZD pushed upwards to close back above the trend line, so it was the only black sheep of the week. For the coming week, as I said initially, the Euro USD, Euro CHF, and the Euro AUD are on the watch list. Starting with the Euro USD, we can see a pair that is in a converging range, and this converging range has printed out a symmetrical triangle. So for the coming week, Euro USD remains neutral until a break of the resistance of the triangle occurs or a break of the support of the triangle occurs. Until then, the Euro USD is neutral. For the Euro CHF, we would also be looking at the breakout scenario. Euro CHF has been trending downwards for the better part of this month, which is May. It is currently trading within a falling wedge. So for the Euro CHF to find a very stronger direction, we need a breakout of the resistance of the wedge or of the support of the wedge. If the breakout doesn't come anytime soon, the Euro CHF remains slightly bearish if it still remains within the market structure, the current market structure. For the Euro AUD, we spent the whole of last week in a mini ascending channel, and for the coming week, what we are looking at over here is also a breakout trade idea. As long as the Euro AUD remains within the confines of the channel, it will be on this very weak bullish uptrend or weak bullish move. But then the trade idea would really come when the Euro AUD manages to break above the resistance of the channel or break below the support of the channel. So we can see that this is actually a week filled with breakout trade ideas. So the only downsides to this week's trade ideas are false breaks. So for the coming week, just remain patient and wait for the breakout to strike profitable trades. I wish you a profitable trading week. See you next week.